Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to LED photo collage design ideas. Here we explore the captivating world of LED lighting combined with the art of creating visually stunning photo collages. Our channel is a go-to destination for anyone seeking inspiration, tips and step-by-step tutorials to transform their favorite memories into mesmerizing LED photo displays. In each video, we delve into various design techniques, showcasing innovative ways to arrange and illuminate photographs using LED lights. Our talented team of designers and dye enthusiasts will guide you through the process, ensuring that you can easily replicate these striking designs at home. Discover the latest trends in LED photo collage as we explore different themes and aesthetics. From minimalist and modern designs to whimsical and bohemian styles, we offer a diverse range of ideas to suit every taste and occasion. Whether you are looking to decorate your bedroom, living room, or a special event, our channel has you covered. We understand that not everyone is an expert in design, which is why our videos are beginner friendly. We break down complex techniques into simple, easy to follow steps, ensuring that you can create beautiful LED photo collage. Even if you are just starting out, our goal is to inspire creativity and empower you to personalize your space with unique and personalized LED displays. In addition to tutorials, we also share tips and tricks for selecting the right LED lights, choosing the best photographs, and arranging them in aesthetically pleasing compositions. We explore different color schemes, explore lighting effects, and offer suggestions on how to create eye-catching focal points within your photo collage. Join our vibrant community of fellow dye enthusiasts, decorators, and photography lovers.